Hi everybody, my name is John Vosler and I'm excited to be here at Imiloa hosting my Rest, Restore, and Rewrite Your Life, or Rest and Restore and Remember Who You Are. This retreat is going to give you an opportunity to rest. We're going to offer you a practice called Yoga Nidra, and Yoga Nidra meaning sleep, but not the sleep that you go to bed at night, but this is conscious, awake, and aware while the body actually sleeps. You're going to begin to build an intimate relationship between who you really are. Take that time to recognize all the effort going to who you're not. So with many Yoga Nidras and this incredible facility of being just in the jungles of Costa Rica, it's an opportunity for you to cultivate that relationship with your true essence so that you can go out into the world of form, share your heart, be your authentic self, and recognize in doing so, you're not only changing your life, but you're changing those people around you. And we begin this journey with an inward journey. So it's not about going out and doing anything, it's about the practice of subtraction. This practice of Yoga Nidra is a tantric practice. It's a practice of doing less so that you can actually be more, be yourself, live the life you were born to live. So this practice of Yoga Nidra, and in this facility, you're going to learn how to drop beneath the mind that's actually keeping you from being present, that actually you can use those experiences in your past to be more fully present to this moment. So it gives me great pleasure to invite you here into Costa Rica to Imiloa on March 25th to the 30th to experience your true nature, to rest, restore, and remember who you are.